The fire is now estimated to be 14,117 acres with 15% containment, with over 7,000 structures damaged or destroyed. We have 2,832 personnel assigned to the incident, and it is static at this time.
The Palisade incident is now at 21,596 acres and 11% contained. It was an approximate 1,000 acres in growth last night in the Mandeville Canyon area. Early estimates from an aerial reconnaissance indicate approximately 5,316 structures have been destroyed. As of this morning, it's confirmed 426 homes have been destroyed. We still have over 105,000 citizens that have been evacuated.
From what I'm told, currently we are not performing any evacuations, but that can change at a minute's notice. And we're doing escorts for essential service needs like animal recoveries, medications, and things of that nature. Evacuation orders are approximately at 153,000 residents that are under the evacuation orders, and approximately 57,000 structures are still at risk. Regarding evacuation warnings, approximately 166,000 or a little over 166,000 residents are under evacuation warnings. In total, we have made 22 arrests between the Eaton Palisades fire, 19 arrests in the Eaton area, and 3 in the Palisades area. All these individuals were in areas they were not supposed to be there, meaning they had no business being there. Of the 4 arrested last night, 2 were arrested for unauthorized entry of emergency areas. Basically, we had 2 arrests for curfew violations. We have confirmed 11 deaths in our jurisdiction. Again, that does not include LAPD and Pasadena. This is just LA County Sheriff's area of responsibility. 8 in the Eaton fire and 3 in the Palisades County area. We also have reports for 13 missing individuals. Are those related or not? Maybe, maybe not. We hope to find everybody safe. We want to bring closure to the families.